College Jowai, we have Government Girls Higher Secondary School Jowai NCC contingent commanded by Miss Jowai. Approaching the dais is JLP Mukla, commanded by Master V. Salman Kham, Kitchen.
The next contingent that follows is the JP Senior Higher Secondary School Jowai, commanded by Mr. Jaden Lindor.
Now the contingent approaching the dais is Marian Hill Higher Secondary School Jowai, commanded by Terwang Dingli Lawai. May we give the match contingent a huge round of applause.
Now we have the contingents from St. Mary Magdalene Higher Secondary School Jowai, commanded by Ms. Raisa Lakia.
North Liberty Higher Secondary School Jowai is approaching the dais commanded by Master Daniel Kapakisri Verma.
Next contingent follows is Government Boys Higher Secondary School Jowai, commanded by Mr. Victor Black.
Tome Liberal Higher Secondary School Boralong Jowai is approaching the dais commanded by Sri Lampang Khan.
Next followed by Queen's Public Secondary School Jowai, commanded by Ms. Gandhi Katrina Paul.
St. George Higher Secondary School Jowai contingent is commanded by Miss Amy Chakra Lakan. So a huge round of applause to the contingent.
Following is contingent of Government Girls Higher Secondary School Jowai, commanded by Ms. Awa Kanisha.
Next contingent is Jaintia Higher Secondary School Jowai commanded by Karsam Talang.
And here we have the last contingent, Grace Matchpass from HQC Livelihood Secondary School Jowai, commanded by Mr. Benefiting Sadat.
May we give a huge round of applause to all the participating contingents.
Subhash Chandra Bose. We also remember with the Reverend Patriot from our state, Utirot Singh, Sukyang Langba, and Patukan and Sangma. I take this opportunity to salute unwavering dedication and sacrifices of our armed forces, paramilitary forces, and the Meghalaya Police Force. Their vigilance effort ensure our safety and security. During the last year, the overall law and order situation in the state was peaceful. In the year 2023-24, the three new criminal laws, namely the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, Bharatiya Nya Sanhita, and the Bharatiya Saksya Adhinyam, were implemented with effect from 1st July 2024. However, the autonomous corridor from Maulangkum to Panchkram are also advancing. Through externally aided project, regional road infrastructure of almost 500 kilometers have been developed and maintained, which include Karobhara, Dalu Road, Pasi Kanampuri Road, Umling Patorkma Road, and Umsning Jagi Road, aim at improving road connectivity in all the regions of the state. Based on the state's good performance in the road sector, Government of India has recently approved mega project for improving the road sector with an investment of rupees 2,500 crores. Under this project, more than 300 kilometers of double lane, climate resilient and road corridors shall be developed, and this will be contribute to realizing our mission 10. The government is committed to making urban space more sustainable and dynamic.
Lấy xe này lên. Cái này thôi nè. Cái tụt bọc.
power is found to be very highly. A huge round of applause to the office of the Divisional Forest Officer, Jowai, Territorial Division, Jowai.
The next statue that follows is from the office of the DRD in the West Jowai district. It highlights the various schemes and projects of the which till date covers a total of 4,500 plus SHGs with 20,000 plus household being mobilized. A huge round of applause for DRDA West Jowai district.
Next tableau which we are going to witness at this moment is from the office of Sub-Divisional School Education Officer, Jowai, West Jowai district. Midday meal is a national program implemented in our state. Please give a big hands to the office of Sub-Divisional School Education Officer, Jowai.
The next tableau that follows is presented by the Office of the Executive Engineer PWD Roads Jowai Central Division. Its objective is to showcase the importance of road and bridge connectivity as the geographical barriers of the Mynta River and ensure seamless travel and transport. May we give a huge round of applause to the Office of the Executive Engineer Shared Life, making it the most popular cultivar in Northeast India. It is a giant crop of a state which serves as a source of livelihood to the farmers of the district. This crop has gained popularity in recent times and it has been exported to
This tableau depicts the following. Female cattle, female pig, technician with AI gun, dry oven containing reserved cement straw and cement mat along with other equipment required for performing artificial insemination. A green fodder, paddy straw and concentrated fuel symbolizes the need for proper nutrition.
Overseas Placement Program. 123 candidates have registered for jobs outside the country. Program has achieved an overall placement rate of 49% with successful placements in Japan and Singapore. So far, 25 nurses have traveled to Japan and 13 are scheduled to travel to Singapore in January 2025. MSSDS.
The district commerce and industry center, West Jowai district, celebrates the 76th Republic Day with the tableau displaying few of the executive courses carried out under the Raising and Accelerating MSNA Performance (RAMP) scheme. This is a world-plan supported central sector scheme of Government of India, which was launched by the Honorable Prime Minister on the 13th June 2022. RAMP aims to address multiple challenges like improving access to credit, strengthening looking forward to for a prosperous and wonderful harvest. Apart from the above mentioned purpose, a Chhat Pliang was also performed to pay